It's nice to look over here because we have a vision now of what our house is going to look like. So here we have the septic and everything's done over here, and dogs are chilling. Got the shed behind there, stuck on that. But yeah, this is where our house is going to be, obviously level. And looks like my wife is leaving. Bye. But yeah, so the idea is going to be is that we're going to end up with a total of 8 of these containers. Some of them are going to be one trip, some of them aren't. Some will be a little bit older because I'll be cutting into some of them. But these first couple I get are going to be nice one trips because I want to, basically the structural integrity has to be perfect as well as the cosmetics, because we're going to be using a lot of the steel that's on the walls for the actual walls themselves on the inside, and don't want to be dealing with pounding out dents out of metal, and don't want to have to sandblast everything to repaint it. So it's nice to have one that's got fresh paint on it, and the inside of this thing's immaculate. So basically what we're going to do are these containers are going to be up on piers. Obviously it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but my neighbor has a loader, and what we're going to do is we're going to just strap a chain to his loader, and he's already done it because he has a container similar to this, and basically just lift up each side of it, put some railroad ties underneath to get it off the ground enough to where we can put the piers underneath on all 4 corners, and then do the same thing on the other one. The tricky part is that once we butt these together, though, it is getting the basically to try to get the piers on all 4 corners on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th one, because they're all going to be together into one giant area. That's where it gets a little bit tricky. So got some thinking to do on that, and of course there's videos out there that we'd be watching and all that. But anyhow, yeah, that's that.